Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can install the Fedora Workstation 4 and in this one you need to just open up the website and click on this download button. It will start downloading the ISO image. So here you can see I have already downloaded this image. Okay, so once the ISO image is downloaded, you need to just open up your VirtualBox and click on this new button. Then there what you need to do is you need to just give it a name, and for you if it will not show like that, you can just it will show something like that. Okay, so you can just give any name like Fedora 4, and you need to select the folder here if you want. So I'm just going to create a new folder with the name Fedora 4, and I'll be selecting this particular folder here. And then ISO image will be, yeah, this only Fedora ISO. And you need to go in the expert mode and you need to change here the type to Linux, and then you need to select here Fedora 64-bit. Okay, then hardware you can give like memory you can give 4 GB of RAM, 4 CPUs. Hard disk you can give as per your requirement. I'll be giving chalo 56 GB. And then in the name and operating system it's showing some error, you can just give the name as Fedora 4 here. Okay, and again, okay, again I need to just select the folder here. Yeah, Fedora 44 is done. Just click on finish. Okay, it's done. Now just start the system. So once it will boot up, we will see the instructions of installing the Fedora into our VirtualBox. So let's just wait. Okay, so test this media. Yeah, just click on hit enter. Just let's go into the full screen mode. Okay, so you can see here it started installing, so it's checking few things. You can see percentage as well, around 10-11% it's showing at this particular moment. So I will be just waiting till the 100%. Once it will be 100%, then I think we can go to the next step. So let's just wait until it's done. Okay, we are done with 30%, 31, yeah. Okay, till then I'll just pause the video until it's done. Okay, so 100% is completed. Now it's loading here on the screen. So I think here we will get some UI to select the language and all. Yeah, let's just wait. It's still loading. Those dimension change right now. Okay, so here you can see this particular screen, and okay, here you can see welcome to Fedora Linux. Install Fedora Linux. Yeah, I want to install. Just click on it, and yeah, just do right control and F so that maybe screen size will change. Yeah, okay, cool. So let's go again back to the normal by pressing the same right control F. Okay, I think so it's initializing, you can see. So let's just wait until it gets initialized. So here you can see all the apps and all. Okay, so I think something came up at that time. Okay, welcome to the language Hindi. Okay, actually I want to go for the English at this moment. If I can just search. Let me just wait. Okay, we can just scroll here, and I'm just searching for English here. Singapore. Okay, English India will be I will select. Let me just scroll down here, click on next, and yeah, use entire disk. Then storage, yeah, do next. Okay, review and install. So 64.4 GB is there. Okay, so let's just erase the data and install. So it will take few minutes of time, so we need to just be patient at this moment, and once it's done I will be back. Okay, so you can see storage configuration is being done, then later on software installation, then system configuration, then finalization. So we are at the very first stage right now. So let's just wait. Okay, so initial storage configuration is completed. Now we are for the software installation. Okay, let's wait. You can say it's 2% at this moment. So I'll just pause the video until it's done. Okay, so we have completed 95%, so only 5% is remaining. Okay, so I think it's done. Yeah, cool. So now installing the bootloader. So it will also take few seconds or minutes of time. So once it will be done, then finalization, then we are done with the installation. Yeah. So I'll just again pause the video. So we'll wait for the system configuration to complete first. Okay, so we have done with system configuration, and now in the last stage, that is the finalization. So it will be also completed in just few minutes. So I think overall it's taking, I think, around 20 to 25 minutes of time for the completion of this overall process. So let's just wait. We are at the last stage only. Okay, so here you can see successfully installed message has pop up. Okay, so to begin using Fedora, you need to reboot your system. Okay, exit to live desktop, and just press Windows, and here you will see terminal. Just open up the terminal, or where it went, yeah, or I think we can just directly yeah, here it came. Just 1 minute. In the terminal you can just try to reboot. Okay, so it will start rebooting the VM. Okay, so first of all power off will happen, then it will reboot. So we'll just wait for this again. Okay, it's rebooting now. We need to just wait for a few more seconds for it. Okay. So you can see the message booting, and press skip to about check. You can just press skip, and now let's wait. Okay, so after that it's again asking for installing, but we have already installed, right? So let's just power off from here, and again we can now try. So let me just go back into the VM and let's start from here. So we need to start, right? Okay, so we are now done start instead of test. Hmm. Okay, so again it came, but this should not happen. Let's just again close it, and I have got the solution from my previous video only. So you need to go into the setting, and in the storage just right click on this workstation and remove the attachment. Okay, and just click OK, and again we'll start the VM. So we'll see now it won't ask you to install. Okay, so let's see what it shows. So it's starting. Okay, so you can see it's loading. Mm-hmm. Okay, okay, so I think it came. Yeah, so you need to just do a start setup here, location services, whatever you want to give, just do the next, enter the city. Okay, we are in here, just do next, give the full name you want to give, username. Okay, that will be same. Do next, set your password. Okay, okay, yeah, both is matching. Do next. Yeah, start using Fedora Linux. So we clicked on it. Okay, so workstation, if you want to keep learn. Okay, if you want to take a tour, you can take a tour. So you can learn about the Fedora 44, get an overview, search, and all these things are there. Okay, so let's just close it, and if you click on it, you will see here all the applications, whatever will be there, like terminal you will get here, and you can just list and your basically like Fedora 44 workstation is live. So in this way you can just use it. Sorry, what I'm doing. Yeah, Hari. Okay, so that's it for this particular video, and I know we faced some issue at the last in starting. So basically you need to remove that attachment from the settings which I told you in the storage. Here it will be, you need to just remove it and start the system. So that's it for this particular video, and if you face any other issue you can just ask in the comment section. And that's it for this one, and I will see you in the next one, guys. Thank you so much for watching.